Hi, I'm Jamesia Webster reporting for Varsity B, and I'm here at the Clinton River Watershed Council where citizens protect and enhance their local waterways.
The Adopt a Stream program is a volunteer water quality monitoring program. We get average citizens from all over the watershed that go out and do water quality monitoring. They're collecting data. They report that data back to us, and then we report it out to the state of Michigan and all the municipalities and townships, county governments in the Clinton River watershed. We are a nonprofit organization. Our mission is to protect, restore, celebrate, and enhance the Clinton River and its watershed and Lake St. Clair.
The land that drains into the Clinton River covers 760 square miles and includes over 1,000 miles of streams in addition to the 80-mile-long main branch. We live in the most populous watershed in Michigan, and we're still growing. As our population grows, the potential for complex water quality issues in our watershed also grows.
All they have to do is sign up for one of the trainings. Each volunteer is asked to do a 1 3-hour training session, and we host them about 7 to 8 times a year. And all they have to do is attend that and fill out a volunteer application, and they can come from any profession. I have teachers, facility staff, retired folks, stay-at-home moms, actual scientists. We have all types of folks that get involved in the program.
To have a better understanding of being a volunteer for the Adopt a Stream program, Michelle demonstrated the use of some of the tools involved.
The ever so important pair of waders. We put these on before we get in the water. You want to be really careful about what you step on. There could be glass, any kind of other litter or debris, so this protects you. And a lot of times the water's cold because we do it in October, we do it in May, and so they also offer that protection as well. And who wants to get wet on a cold day? So what we do for our water quality is we do a biological assessment. We're looking at the aquatic life, in our case specifically the bugs. So this is a bug net that we use. You basically put it down on the bottom of the water, on the water stream, and the water's flowing this way, so you put it so it's facing upstream, so when you stir up the bottom of the creek, then it captures the insects that you're kicking up. So you basically take your foot and you kick up the bottom, and the critters float up a little bit and they float right into your bag. Well, what we want to do is for our citizens that are volunteering, as well as other folks that live throughout the watershed, is to develop a connection with the Clinton River. It might not be in my backyard or your backyard, but everyone still has a connection to water, especially here in the state of Michigan. So we want them to become familiar with different parts of the water, the river and the watershed, and we want them to take a little bit of ownership in its care and well-being. No one wants a stinky, smelly river flowing behind their home or behind their grocery store or through their favorite park. So if everyone does their part to help keep the water clean, then it benefits everybody that lives in the community.
So if you're looking for ways to help preserve the environment, contact the Clinton River Watershed Council and start today. For Varsity B, I'm Jamesia Webster.